So I forgot to share you guys taking this off the plate, but this is one of my newest sellers that I created. I just took these bears online. I saw people making these out of wood. So then I made these outlines, basically looked exactly identically at the photo. And I made my own outlines and I vectorized them all. And it was a lot of work actually. And I have these. And these are a puzzle. So they're scaled to fit perfectly. So I have them so if you pick them up, they stay together. Because me and my son, when I designed these, I made sure that it was perfect. See? Absolutely perfect. That's why it helps to have a little bit of a design / engineering under your belt. You know, you can make stuff like this. Okay, so basically a couple days later, we have the design for the White Tiger. I mean, it doesn't look, this is in a different software program, but you can see the tigers on there. So we'll go over to my, so here's the one print. That's going to print all in one. Bam, bam. And then here is the back. Here's what the cover on it. And the cover's designed with 0.5 millimeter clearance. So that's roughly 5 thousandths a side in standard units. So there you have it. So now we're going to bring this guy over. Here it is. My SVG turned to a solid. I started all that guy out from here and I drew lines on him. And now I have this light box, this crazy light box. Let's see if it works. Yeah, so here's the very first layer. Just is every layer I do on my first layer is 0.12. And I tell you what, if this guy turns out, that's going to be really cool. If the light turns out. If not, heck, it'll just be a cool a little decorative piece I can sell. I think I'll sell it with the light and without the light. But yeah, so this is how it's coming along. Anyways, stay tuned. Alright, so here's how the box light turned out. Exactly how I wanted it to, basically. Except I ran into an issue. I don't think the tail is going to light up. Because I can't fit an 8 millimeter guy in there. But anyways, there he is directly in the light. So yeah, there you have it.